Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do dry noodle soup. We're using angel hair noodles. We cover the bottom of the saucepan with olive oil. We crumble the angel hair noodles. We brown them a little bit. 1 8-ounce Iberia tomato sauce, 1/3 cup of water, and 3.5 ounces San Marcos Chipotle sauce. We stir everything well. Once everything well mixed, we put 1 tablespoon of chicken powder broth. We make the noodles even, and then we're gonna open a little hole to put some eggs in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reduce the heat, we cover, and we let it cook from 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, voila! We sprinkle the panela cheese and it's ready to serve. And serve it with a little sour cream. What a quick, delicious, inexpensive, nutritious dish. Hi!